do it again. Okay, take number 2. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to This Is How We Rock. And today I'm with my daughter Serena.
And we're going to be doing our bedroom tour.
Yeah, so Mommy's gonna flip the camera over and she's gonna be taking you on this little bedroom tour basically. So I never thought you guys would be interested in seeing my house actually like that. Yeah, like a in a tour kind of way. So for the Simplify My Space series, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you a little bit on how we simplify this room. We change things around a lot, right? So the first thing we did is that we painted the walls a different color, right? We got rid of so much furniture we had in here. We kind of made it more like relaxing and minimal looking. And anyways, we're gonna be showing you around, and without any further ado, let's get
started.
So here we are, Serena, right?
Yep,
ready?
the walls.
Okay, let's start right from the walls. Do you want to tell us this walls used to be?
Really, like a bright color, like so bright you could barely look at it.
Okay, let's do exaggerate like that. It used to be like a darker kind of blush, like a dark, almost
dark.
like brown, right? When we first came in, that's right.
Like almost brown, like the
So we did not like the color too much.
So it took a while for us to get the room designed because we needed to get all the stuff moved out of the bedroom and we needed to paint the walls a different color, and it was a lot of work for Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy painted them all. So we picked a kind of a white lavender color. So this is not actually a bright white, even though it might seem like that in the camera, but it's mixed with a little bit of lilac or lavender. I decided to just leave it white. You see, we had art. We had like 2 big paintings and stuff. With the fact that we changed the color of the walls, the art wasn't really making sense anymore. So I just decided to keep it a big white wall. And I just got these 2 fake plants here from Michael's. And I just like them because they add a little bit of purple green. Obviously, I couldn't have real plants right by the wall for, you know, obvious reasons like termites and stuff like that. So I don't want to go through all that. And so I decided to just use these 2 plants that I had already around the house. So basically I shopped from my own house. And let's move over here. So I used to be afraid of having white walls in my house. I used to think that I had to some kind decorate or compensate for the white. But now I actually love it. I embrace it. I like it. This nice white space and the atmosphere, the relaxing atmosphere that brings into our room. Once you add some wood tones or plants, especially plants, it warms up the room so much. So the white bright doesn't really bother you anymore. Now let's move over there, Sissy.
This is like, I think it's like a night desk.
That's right. So Daddy built it, right?
Do you want
to tell us? Yeah.
So he built these, and he made a exact looking one on the other side that we'll get to in I think just a minute here. And then we put it here because it was a nice place to put it.
Now let me tell you something. You didn't even know that. So Daddy custom built this, obviously, because you can see that the nightstand fits nice between the bed and the wall. And also when he started to design the nightstands, I specifically asked Daddy for no drawers nightstand. So I didn't want any drawers because I knew that once we would have had drawers, they would end up a bunch of junk in there. So I specifically wanted them just simple nightstands. And what I have here is just a pot with an aloe vera. Yeah, because they're very easy to take care of plants. We just water them once a week.
In case like we have church or something.
A trip coming.
Yeah, a trip. I'm not going to tell you though.
We got just a plant that's all I keep there. So calorie free and very easy to take care of. And then let's move over here. This is my duvet and my bed. Yes, and I used to have like different ones, but I just switched to plain white ones because they contain less dye and all the other chemical and stuff. Yeah, so I just invested in a better quality one, 100% cotton. I also like the linen ones that I'm gonna be ordering probably next month for the summertime. So I just like to invest into you know, better sheets, better quality. Yeah, because it makes all difference when you sleep on it. And then let's move into our bed frame right here that Daddy built.
Also.
Yeah.
We added these mirrors. And when Ariana's on the bed and like she's crying on the bed, I put her right by the mirror and she just starts
And
playing
she
with
plays,
it.
right? So I like it because it adds a lot of brightness to the room. And what's funny about it is that when we first moved in this room, that bed supposedly had to go right there, now fitting between those two windows. Now, would you tell me what kind of, other than a twin size bed would fit between those two windows? It wasn't making sense. So we decided to switch it over here so we could fit a king size bed. So Daddy actually worked so hard, and look at that.
And
He made it
like
so pretty for us.
Hey guys.
I mean, that's a masterpiece, you guys. So I'm very proud of him. He built this old bed frame. It's so beautiful, and the nightstands that go with it. So this is my side of the bed, and I have the same pot that I have on the other side, just in white. And this is our oil diffuser. So I'm gonna show you. I keep my oils not here, obviously, where there's no light in the cabinet, but just to show you, this is where I keep my oils, and the ones that I use for our oil diffuser. So basically in the nighttime I usually use the lavender, or On Guard if we're feeling a little bit under the weather. So I just keep switching with whatever one we need.
And they're really good for other things, like if you're sick, you can just put them in the humidifier, you can breathe it.
It's funny because this is actually a gift from North and South, from our friends Mike and Megan, and we thank them so much because they came so handy. And I once started using oils, I won't go back ever. So this is the best present ever. Thank you, you guys.
And you can just open the lid and let it smell.
It smells so good, don't they? So this is the door to our walk-in closet. I'm really lucky. We have this big walk-in closet right there that I never had in my life. Living in Italy, we have little spaces, so that's really a luxury right there.
Humidifier.
This is our new humidifier, and it's from Levoy. And I gotta say, this is a really good one, and it's not that expensive either, but it makes such a difference in your room, especially where we live, that the weather is dry, which is good for so many other things. But yeah, we definitely needed a humidifier because we used to wake up with like very dry nose and stuff like that. And also it's good because viruses live in dry climates, so we really needed a humidifier.
We noticed.
Yeah, and it makes such a nice relaxing room when you walk in and you're ready to go to bed. So I actually let it run all day because it lasts for the whole day. You just fill it up in the morning and it goes on for all day.
Yeah,
actually,
you can fill it up like
you wake up in the morning and it still goes on. So
you can really fill it up, like you can fill it up pretty filled.
and what I like about this one is that you can also put some oil and essential oils on another little tap there, so you can also diffuse oils.
If you want to add that, you can just put it in there.
As you can see, it's the same desk made from the same wood and pattern that my husband built the bed and the nightstands, because he made it too. So he built me this desk and this beautiful chair right here, and that's what I do my journaling, my planning for the next day. So this is my little space where I can just come in and take care of everything else, like dump my brain and get ready for the next day or the next week, especially for the homeschooling planning that I need to do.
And guys, fun sparks fact, Daddy even built our chairs and our table in the kitchen.
That's right. We're gonna get to that. We're gonna do another tour for that.
we should do
Yeah.
that.
He built pretty much all the furniture we have in this house, right? It's
and
really
built
good.
like an island.
Oh, sweetie pie. No, 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 no. So that's why I have my night lamp right here. And obviously I have a snake plant, which is another very easy to take care
like
of plant.
Humidifier kind of, because it purifies the air, so it's good to have by your bed. That's why we have it in the bedroom.
That's
We
right.
have, like, every time, almost about every time we go to Lowe's, we're gonna be looking at the snake plant.
We love plants, don't we?
Yeah.
And now this is a little rug that I like to have. Now since we have tiles, we got rid of the carpet, you guys. When Serena was a baby, I remember you were sitting in the eating chair and then it was just ripping carpet off our house, and it made such a difference with the allergy and everything else. don't particularly, I'm not a fan of carpet. I like it when it's brand new, and if you have the time to maintain it, I love that. But in our case, we're pretty busy, and the tile makes such a difference. I can just mop it clean and everything else. But I do love carpet, you guys. I love it. I just cannot maintain it. So just to have a little bit of warm feeling, cozy feeling, I added this sheep, fox sheep rug right here. Really, I didn't purchase anything to make my room look very minimal and very simple and basic and relaxing. I just got rid of stuff. That's what I did. That was the main switch that I did, and made a big difference into our life. And so here's the desk, and here is another painting, a canvas that we had in your bedroom, guys. So I just keep switching things around from room to room. I try not to buy anything. I don't buy decor anymore. So whatever we have in the house, if I can switch it and it looks good into the room, that's what I do. So we got this beautiful zebra, which I thought was so cool for your kids' bedroom. So cool that I decided to take it in my bedroom, right guys? And so I got this beautiful zebra looking at me every night. Let's move you onto the sofa.
It's a bed sofa for my kids.
And we have this because, you know, those nights when the kids are sick and they want to sleep in mommy's room still. Wink wink, right? So what I like about this sofa right here, this bed sofa, is that it's very minimal. It doesn't require like a mattress net, a mattress, and anything else. So let me show you how it works. It's so easy to open and close.
If you have a pillow on your big bed.
And there it is, you guys. So you see, it's a really nice size bed.
Super comfortable.
When you look at it, yeah, it's really, really big. So anyway, so this is a nice add-in to our bedroom. And also we can move it around if we have a guest, like when Nonno comes, right?
Yeah.
And stuff like that. We can just put it into another room, into the guest room, and have a nice extra bed. So next I have this mirror right here that I got from Ross many years ago. So once again, I didn't purchase anything new, and I have these very inexpensive frames that I got from Walmart also years ago, that they were just sitting in my shelves in the back room, and I never thought of much of a usage for it. So now I display my kids' drawings in it. So now here, you want to show us this tree trunk right here? What happened? Do you even remember how we got into our house?
Yeah, I little remember, but because it was a long time ago. I was little. And so I think we were on a road trip.
We were on a road trip, and that was 4 years ago. 4 years ago?
4? Wow. So I was 5 then. I was 5 then. And I don't know where we were.
We were in California. Daddy was filming. No, that was 3 years ago, probably. I'm wrong.
3?
Yeah, so Daddy was filming a video by Morro Bay in California.
Okay.
And we just drove by on the highway.
By the beach, and there was a lot of tree trunks. And Daddy
they were just laying in there, like a bunch of them.
And they were just sitting there by the sun.
And what did Mommy do, Serena?
You forced him to get one and make a table out of it. So Daddy
and let's take one home, Daddy, come on. So he actually did listen to me, his crazy wife, and he brought it home, and he really got rid of
it really nicely.
He got rid of all the bark that was just peeling off, and he polished it, just like Serena said, really nicely. Look at that. So this is the real tree trunk. You see, it comes here with cracks and stuff. But it's so nice. I couldn't believe it. It was just sitting there on the side of this road, just letting to rotten. And this is my favorite table in the whole house. So it just added, as you can see, wheels, so it's easy to move, because it's really heavy, obviously. So I thought that was a little nice touch over there. So you see, once you have a white room, but you add, as I said before, wood and plants, the room gets automatically just cozy. And then we have a salt rock lamp, right? Yeah. And Nonno Massimo gave us this lamp when he came to visit us a couple of times ago. Yeah.
Don't lick it when it's on, because it gets hot.
Do you know what?
Lick it when it's on.
What? You didn't say that? Yeah, it is salty. It is a salt rock. And it purifies the air, and we like it. So as you can see, I try to make this room nice and relaxing as much as possible. We don't have any TV in here because we want to just keep it like a nice peaceful, other than Leo going
We're talking about that time.
nice and relaxing place where you can just unwind and go to bed, right?
And I think
rest.
like this room is probably the most purified air room in like the whole house.
It's
Got snake plants, salt rock.
And this is it, you guys. So very simple and easy to take care of. That's what I wanted, and I love it, right?
And
I
there's
think
not really much.
I'm not gonna change it anymore, right? So thank you so much for watching, you guys.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.
And
Give it a
thumbs up.
give it a big thumbs up, please.
And
Subscribe.
comment. And tell us if you have any of the same stuff we have, because we would like to know.
That would be really interesting. So leave us a comment down below and let us know how your room looks like, and if there's any improvements you would like to make, right?
Yeah.
If there's anything that you like and you would like us to know about it. Yeah, so just hit the subscribe button down below if you guys would like to see more of our videos, and we'll catch you in the next one, you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow, we're good. We're getting so much better and better.
Yeah, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Say ciao.
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 Ciao.